In this video tutorial, we will look at how to make the most out of the chart select function and our selection projects. Let's use the Level 1 database and look at a saved selection project. To open our project, we click on File and then Open. We can take a look at a selection project already made for a stiff, light and affordable table leg selection. Our selection data is here, the selection stages are after, and our results are below. In our selection project we have 3 stages, displayed as tabs here. Let's explore the project. We have a bubble chart stage of Young's modulus against density with a selection line of slope 2. A bar chart showing material price with a selection box of 0.5 to $3 per kilogram. And a limit stage specifying a minimum Young's modulus of 10 gigapascals. If we want to add a selection stage, we can simply create a new stage. Let's create a tree stage, excluding all ceramics and glasses from our results. We can do this by selecting all the other classes of material. Pressing OK, we now have 4 selection stages. Together, these selection stages combine in our selection project to give us these results in the left panel. Remember that if we close a tab, we can easily open it again by double-clicking on its selection stage. By default, the results list displays materials which pass all stages. We can choose which selection stage we want to see results for by selecting the relevant stage from the drop-down list. Let's open the tab from stage 1 and look at which materials pass the first stage. We have a Young's modulus density chart with a selection line filtering out any materials below the line. At the moment, some materials are greyed out both above and below the selection line. This is because the other selection stages are enabled. If we press the Show Results from All Enabled Stages button, we disable the other stages. Now we can see only the selection results from the current stage. Press the button again to enable all the stages once more. To return to our final selection, select the Pass All Stages option from the drop-down list. We can also choose how we rank the results. By default, alphabetical is selected, but we have the option to rank them by any of the results in the drop-down list. For example, let's rank the results by price, and we can see the results from cheapest at the top to most expensive at the bottom. If a stage is no longer needed in our selection project, it can easily be deleted. Simply move the cursor over the stage, right-click and choose Delete. The results display will return to default settings and now show materials which pass only the remaining stages. If we want to use our selection project later on, we can save the project by clicking on File and then Save Project. In other video tutorials, you can see where to get help and how to use the other tools available in CES EduPack.